Okay, so I am back at the creek bed that I was at before, and I'm just going to kind of dedicate most of my time today on searching and going up the creek bed here. It's not as dry as it was before, but I feel like we've had a little bit of a mudslide here. So yeah, it's not as dry as it was before, but still I can get in there, and I'm going to be hopefully able to climb over or under those trees and get up a little bit further into the creek and see what I can find. So I'm all set up now, and I just saw something when I was walking in. I don't know what this is. I'm just gonna, it does not belong, that's for sure. Oh, you know what it looks like? Like a paint chip or something. I don't know. All right. What's this here? Ooh, piece of pottery here. Look at this. So the last time I was here, I found that really old piece of pottery, and I believe this is also old. It looks old. I love the crackling in the finish. That's really cool. All right, so this is the first cool thing I found that I like. My treasure. And other people might not think it's a treasure, but I do. What is that? I have no idea what that is. Oh, I think that's a bone. That's a bone. That's great. I just grabbed it with my bare hands. I don't know what. Oh, no. I don't know what that is. It's a bone though, for sure. To something, you can tell. That's pretty neat. Geez, every time I go out, I either find bones or dead animals or I don't know what's going on. All right, moving on. What is that? Oh, okay, there's something. Okay, so what do we have here? That's something interesting. Let's get it cleaned off a little bit here. I have no idea. I have no idea what this is. I don't know if it's a complete part to something. Not too sure. But that is actually pretty cool. Different. I love finding mystery items. I also love finding out what they are. So if you guys can give me any tips as to what this could be, I would greatly appreciate it. Leave it in the comments below. What's this? That's pretty cool. Well, that's really, really cool. I have no idea what that is. That is pretty cool though. I like it. So, mystery item, help me identify it. Get out of here, mosquito. Help me identify it if you know what it is. and can let me know in the comments below, that would be greatly appreciated. What is this? This is, I don't know if somebody put this on there or what the heck. I don't know what this is. It's almost like reminds me of like something for camping, like a Coleman stove or a part of something like that. I don't see any writing on it. Looks like it could be old. I think it's pretty cool. I'm gonna take you home with me. All right. Oh no. Oh, I don't even think I have extra gloves. Yeah, I'm gonna fall before the day is through. I should just make like a blooper reel, because it would be a long video though. All right. Okay, let's get going here. Okay. What is that? I think that's just... Oh. Yeah, just like a bracket to like fencing or something. Ooh, I'm glad I didn't step on that though. Sheesh. Oh, you know what? There's a hinge here, so it's part to like maybe an old gate or something. Yeah, the hinge does not work, obviously. That's pretty neat. Pretty cool. Oh, there's a little frog. I don't want to scare him. See if I can get my camera out. Oh, what's that? Okay. No wonder that sounded so good. Ooh, it's an old one. He's still there. Hey, bud. Look at that. That's an oldie. That's pretty cool. What is this? Gotta find some water here. What is that? That's different. I don't know what that is. It looks old to me just because of the color. I don't know. Oh, do you think it was a teacup maybe? And then like this was the handle and then the handle came around like this. Oh my god, the bugs are starting to get bad. I think it was a little teacup. That's my guess. Let me know what you guys think. Oh my god. Gotta get a better angle here. Oh. Oh, look at that. It's like a... It's like something that goes to an old gate. Like part of a hinge. That's pretty cool. I like that. That is pretty neat. I don't think I'm going to get much further than up here. So, oh god. Oh, so cool. Oh my god. Look at this. It's an old car. You know what? Oh my god. This is like the coolest thing I've ever found. Yeah, I believe it's like the hood of a car maybe. Like one of those old bugs. I'm gonna pull it out and see if I can see any more of it. The color would have been cool. That is awesome. Okay, so here's a closer view. This is like underneath. Which I think it's like the hood I should have put my gloves on. Hang on, let me... Okay, hang on, we'll inspect. So, oh, look at that spider in there. He looks mean. All right, so yeah, so that's like the only thing in here. It almost looks like it could be the latch, like the locking latch or something. Okay, let's flip it over and take a closer look on the other side. This just keeps getting better and better. All right, let's flip this over. Hang on. Oops. So yeah, so it's got the chrome handle. I don't know, just the shape of it. That's what it looks like to me. It looks like to be the trunk or the hood of one of those old style Beetles, Volkswagen Beetles or Bugs. All right, it's like, whoa, oh my God. I wonder if this is old because it doesn't look like it has like that it would be a screw top. It almost looks like it would be kind of like a cork top or something. Yeah, I think that's old. All right, so let's try to make our way back up here. Okay, so I just want to say thank you for those of you who gave me tips on how to get up a hill using my shovel, coming kind of diagonally across. That worked well.